Good morning. Happy Friday. Okay, my bad. I was so tired. Yesterday was so much fun. I decided to just have a day for my dang self and do what I wanted to do. I tried to get some things done. I went to car shop. It was full. I left the car shop. I went to I had to do some things for work, and I went to the casino. I've been working on a plan, y'all, to play low and slow and make money. Look at my bags and my eyes. I mean, it's dark. Because my daughter wanted to surprise me talking about she had to go to work at 8 o'clock. What? And I have to drive back yesterday because she called me while I was at the casino and said she had to be at work at 8 o'clock last night. What? So a 2-hour drive, I made it back. And she got out at 1. So I was up until after 1 to pick her up after being out all day. And then I got to get up real early and bring her to work. Yeah, my eyes tripping. But I was playing 50 and 60 cents. I can't believe what I won on 60 cents. Y'all check this out. Never say you can't make money on low bets. I will never say that again because I did it. Check this out. I don't know what this means, but it looks good. So we're going to record it. Oh, Buffalo, $37. Oh, nice. Go Buffalo. Whoa, what is happening? Are you kidding me? On a 60-cent bet? What? It's still going. Wow, go Buffalo. Oh, are you kidding me? My first time playing Buffalo Gold. $83 on a 60-cent. Oh, it's not done. One more coin. Yes, I got a Buffalo head. I don't know what that means. Oh, 5 more free games. Even better. Let's go, Buffalo. Let's go. Let's get some more Buffalo heads. Buffalo heads. One coin. Come on. Let's go, Buffalo. Let's go, Buffalo. Oh, nice. That's almost my bank I came with. Oh, is that a retrigger? I think that's a retrigger. All right, 5 more games. Go, Buffalo. Now, Mr. Ted, I see why you like Buffalo. I need 3 more Buffalo heads. Whoa, an unbelievable win. How much is that win? Whoa, go Buffalo. I guess you can do pretty good on a 60-cent bet. Go Buffalo. What? I'm at $100, y'all. I'm so surprised. Nice, Buffalo. Oh, wow. This is so fun. Okay, Mr. Ted, I see why you like this game. This is fun. $120. What? And it's still going. I need 3 more Buffalo heads, everybody. I need 3 more Buffalo heads to change all the wolves to buffaloes. Come on, Buffalo. Oh, yeah, free games. Oh, yeah. Okay. Come on, Buffalo. Change the Buffalo. Give me a Buffalo head. Come on, Buffalo. Buffalo head. Times 3. Oh, I'll take times 3. Thank you, Buffalo. Okay. They're running. Oh, you're a rock star. And it's counting up, so that usually means it is good. Let's go 60-cent bet. Let's go go, 60-cent bet. Let's go, 60-cent bet. All right, I can't believe this. On $35 of free play. Oh, I only came in here with $96, y'all. $96 and a plan. What? It is still going. Y'all look at that. Still going. Go Buffalo. Go Buffalo. This is the best my free play has ever done. It's still going, y'all. I just need a buffalo head. There it is. Oh no, it says I need 3 of them. I need 2 more buffalo heads. And oh, buffalo! And I've got 3 more games. Outstanding win. It's counting up again. I don't know exactly what that means. $9. Okay. Yes. Okay, I need coins. I need coins and coins. Got the buffalo head and coins. Oh my gosh, I got 1 spin left. Oh, I get coins on that spin. I'm gonna make some cashola. Ooh, and a ×3. Y'all, I got a ×3. Another unbelievable win. On a 60-cent bet. Oh yeah. On a 60-cent bet, y'all. 60-cent bet. Now I know where everybody's all play Buffalo. I've never experienced it until today. But it's rocking. Go Buffalo. Go Buffalo. Let's go Buffalo. Let's go Buffalo. Oh wow. It's still counting up, you guys. Oh, I need just 1 re-trigger. And I just need 2 coins this next spin for a re-trigger 5 more games. Because all the wolves are gone. And that would make me some money. Coins, no coins, but that's good. That was my last spin, y'all. That was my last spin. $245.65. I can't believe what just happened. And we're gonna back up spin. Nice.